Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. A quick video today to show you something I found at my local gun shop over at Shoot Point Blank in Carmel, Indiana. From time to time, they have always a good selection, but from time to time they get something that you just don't see very often. By the way, YouTube, this gun has been safety checked and is 100% as it came from Glock. It has not been modified in any way, shape, or form. We're taking a look at a Glock 19M. And if you want more of a story about the 19M, I have a video on it, and I'll do my best to put the card somewhere up here so if you wanted to reference. There you can find all the story and the history on this, and maybe some of the myths. We talk about some of the myths and whether they're true or not regarding the 19M according to my conversation with Glock. So I was at Shoot Point Blank the other day, and one of my friends that works there said, "Hey, you need to take a look at this. I know you have one. Actually, I have the 17M. I have the 19M." And he says, "But this is a 19M. But a couple of things is that it has this brown FDE, if you want to call it, is more of a earth FDE. I'm not sure what color you would call this 19M, but it's not an aftermarket and it's not from a distributor. This is straight from Glock, and you can tell by the color of the serial number plate down here. When it comes from Lipsy's or another distributor, the plates are a different color. And this is exactly how it came from Glock. Another thing also is it's got all the requirements for the FBI contract from the 19M, the different mag release, the extended slide release that is ambi. So everything that was in the FBI contract gun is also in this 19M. Some of them they all came with the AmeriGlow agent sights. Some of them came with a square notch at the back. I'm not sure there you go. And a few of them came with a U-notch like this one did, and the U-notch was the one that was originally designated with the FBI contract, as well as the high-def orange front, and both of them tritium, of course. So it's got the correct plate for the serial number. It's got all the correct controls. It's got the correct sights as the original contract, and it's got the coated interior. The trigger bar, all the stuff that was originally coded for the FBI contract and not for the civilian guns that were later produced or made available to the public. So I'm a little curious about this one. And it came in a regular Glock box. So I wanted to show it to you, and just something a little bit different than your regular run-of-the-mill Glock 19M. I can already hear some of the Glock fanboys and the such going to jump in and saying, "Oh, gee, wow, another Glock 19, woohoo!" Well, to me, something that is a little unique always perks my attention. So there it is, a shortish video on the Glock 19M with, let's just call it what it is, a brown grip. Never saw that before. Let me know if you've seen it before, and what do you think about this? I look forward to your comments as always, which is my favorite part of running this channel, is the interaction with all of you. Not only do I enjoy it, but I've learned so much from you guys, so thank you for that. Please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning, and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, so if you want to see what's going to come down the pipeline for the channel, that's where you're going to see it way before it hits YouTube. Please remember that following me there, as well as subscribing to this channel, helps us tremendously. Now more than ever, the YouTube algorithm is focusing a lot on the like. Not only the subscribe, of course, but more than anything, I'm hearing that they're focusing on the like button. So if you wouldn't mind clicking the like, and I'm losing my ability to speak, so I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you very much for stopping by, and until the next time, God bless.